I've always felt jealous of my sister. Her life seems like a perfect dream. Her husband is the kind of man every woman admires. He surprises her with expensive gifts, takes her on romantic trips to beautiful countries, and treats her like she's the most important person in the world. My husband loves me too, but his love is simpler. There are no big gifts or fancy surprises. Seeing my sister so happy always made me feel a little jealous. But one day, everything changed. I was out running errands when I saw something shocking. My brother-in-law, the man I thought was perfect, was holding hands with another woman. They were laughing and sitting close, looking so comfortable together. My heart raced. Could this be true? Was the man I envied so much being unfaithful? I couldn't stay quiet. I told my sister what I saw, expecting her to be upset or angry. But her reaction surprised me. She just shrugged and said calmly, "If he does, so what? He gives me a luxurious life. That's what matters." Her words shocked me. Was money and luxury really more important to her than loyalty? I left her house feeling sad and confused. When I got home, my husband greeted me with his warm smile, asking how my day had been. There were no fancy gifts waiting, no plans for a vacation. But there was love. Pure, loyal, and honest love in our small, cozy home. In that moment, I realized how lucky I truly am, how blessed I truly am. My life may not have all the luxury and sparkle, but it is built on trust and true love, loyalty. Still, a question stays in my mind. How long will my sister's perfect life last before it all falls apart?